In this video, I show teachers a student-centered learning framework that helps students design and conduct independent research and improve composition skills, all with an AI twist. By the end of the lesson, your students will be able to identify a historical character known for one or more engaging ideas, compose 10 to 15 interview questions, that's part of the independent research, use ChatGPT to dramatize a character interview, and finally, write a 1 to 2 page report. To run this lesson, you'll need some resources. Students need online access to the free version of ChatGPT and the free version of AIPRM. Now let me describe the lesson flow. Each student conducts their own AI interview and writes their own report. But the first stage, generating a list of interview questions, can be run as a pair work activity or small group activity. The outcome is the same. Select a character and draft 10 to 15 questions that probe the character's background and ideas. Next, students engage with the AI character. Log into ChatGPT and on the AIPRM dashboard, click the Public tab. Go to the search field and enter Pretend to be anyone or anything chat. Select the prompt and enter the character's name to start the AI. Enter questions and follow-ups to interview the character. Take notes. The final step is writing a draft report. That's it. Now you know how to teach a writing lesson with AIPRM.